All right, here's my storage shed. Comes with a ramp and a mother-in-law quarters up there, I think they used to call it. But it's been my storage shed sitting here for, I don't know, 7-8 years. So I'm out here looking at the condition of the fuel, and that's a all metal tank, very heavy duty. And it was just rotted to hell. It had so much crap in there, I couldn't believe it. So I had it vatted out. It cost $460 to clean all that shit out of there. Let that be a lesson. Don't use fuel unless it's without ethanol. So pulling the pump out, rebuilding the pump cage was pretty interesting. This is going to be my first start. I've been out here working on it for probably 10 days. Had to give about 7 days for the radiator shop. This is a topkick model C60. It has the 366 cubic inches V8. So here's the other side of it. I turned the key on and the fuel pump didn't come on. I did crank it once and the fuel pump came on. So I'm anxious to see if it's going to start. I did put the air cleaner and filter housing and all that back on there, because in my experience, you start them up after they've been sitting a long time and it's going to be a dusty hell out here. In fact, I might even spray that down a little bit. But and as you can imagine, I've already washed the engine pretty well and blown all the shit off with compressed air. So it's a goddamn cool old truck, I'll tell you that much. What is this thing? 30 feet? 33 feet? 32 feet. Well, let's give her a try. We'll get on up here. Yes, I banged my head. I got this, bought it from U-Haul years ago. It's got air brakes. So let's see. So speed kills slow down and live. So we hit the ignition here. Let's watch that oil pressure gauge. Fired up. She's running a little rough, but at least she's running. I bet replacing all those spark plugs would sure sharpen that up a little bit. Well, anyway, that's what I've been working on. Let's see how long this thing is. There could be mice living in the exhaust system too. Maybe that's why it's puffing. I guess it's 30 feet. It's pretty cool though. You know, great storage. But I'll sell it if anybody needs some storage at their property. Just put good fuel in it and drain it if you're going to leave it. All right, bye-bye.